We are from ISIC Hanjiang. I'm Carol and this is my team member Michelle Lee. Today, we would like to present the product that we have created. The product that we have created is an effective responder with a convenient and safety table fan. This is our abstract. Our objective is to lower indoor temperature, control humidity, provide energy efficient benefits, and provide information for the teachers.
It is cheap and easy to make as it is only 30 ringgit in total. To make it, we need to prepare a screwdriver with magnetism, 4 pairs of AA batteries, screws, a fan blade, wires, wood, a rocker switch, color paper, a pair of latex glue, a pair of scissors, a cable tie, a buzzer, LED light, junction wire, terminals, a switch, and a recyclable box.
Since the weather in Malaysia is so hot, the fan can cool down the student. The responder can give a signal to the teacher when students have a question to ask without interrupting the class. The entire class will be encouraged to participate in the discussion via responder.
This can help both teachers and students. With the teaching aid, it can make teaching easier for teachers. For the students, it can help improve their exam grades.
Let's make a demonstration.
This is the buzzer. This is the slogan to encourage students.
Education is the powerful weapon which you can change the world.
Firstly, we can switch on the fan to cool down the heat so we can concentrate in class. When we have questions to ask, we can press the buzzer so that it can give a signal to the teacher. That's all from us.
Thank you for your time. Bye.